In this video, we will learn how to embed a Nearpod lesson into our Canvas course. I've created an assignment here called Nearpod for Monday. I'm going to be aware of how many points in my Nearpod that students can earn and align that number of points here in my assignment. And then under submission type, I'm going to select external tool, or we sometimes call it an LTI. Nearpod is one of the embedded LTIs in Canvas. So we'll scroll through here and find it. These are listed alphabetically. I'm going to select Nearpod, and this will open my Nearpod library. Now I'm going to find the Nearpod lesson I want to use. Here's one. So I'm going to, once I find it, I'll hover over it and I will use the student paste button. Because Canvas is an asynchronous vehicle, the Nearpod student paste aligns with that. So select. I captured my URL by doing that. I'll come down here and save. So once students open this, they'll either type in or their name will appear here, and then they can go through the slides, interact with the interactive ones, and then what this does on the teacher end is it creates a PDF report of what the student has done. And you'll have to look at that, figure out their grade, and then enter it in SpeedGrader. So that's how you embed a Nearpod in Canvas.